Hey everybody, welcome back to 19 Real Estate Questions during COVID-19. One of the next questions I'm going to answer is, all right, I'm thinking about selling my house, but there's that doggy door that needs replacing or repaired. There's a fogged window that needs replacing. My hardwood floors look bad, all of those kinds of things, but you don't know who to call. Fear not, I have all the contacts you need. I have vetted contractors and workers that do all kinds of work, from replacing glass, doing hardwood floors, setting tile, replacing granite, recovering decking, you name it. We have vetted construction workers and laborers that can do anything you need to do. So don't you worry your pretty little head. We got you taken care of. And then on top of it, you've been doing all of these projects during COVID, so you probably already have given your house a little bit of a facelift. So if you need, a little bit of extra elbow grease or a little extra expertise, I have the people that can help you with that. So if you need a resource, a vendor, ping me and let me know. I'd love to help and be a resource to give you the contractors or the workers that you need. So give me a call, 425-268-3353. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, be safe, be calm, and it's all going to work out. Have a great day.